3, 2, 1.
Bring your goggles. Virtual reality. Hey.
Can you see it? There it is, clear as day, just as if you woke up to the sunshine of a nice summer day. Now let's take this moment in. It feels good, doesn't it? That's the sense of peace filling on in. Now, let's take a few moments and enjoy this moment together as our lives conjoin in the time of peacefulness and bliss. I know you will enjoy, as will I and everyone else with us here today on this fine day. See you at the end of this journey of true tranquility and once again enjoy from your finest productions, SkySnap Visions. Something tells me you enjoyed this time as much as I did. As always, hope to have you back, for there is more amazing visuals to come. Stay tuned, and if I may, the sub button is there if you please. Be a part of this journey, for you will not be let down. My promise, for I will forever hold.